Okay, good morning class. Today we are going to be looking at what laws of logarithms. Logarithms, they are similar to what indices. If you know indices, you understand logarithms easily. Now, I want to point out something that is very important. I think is the most important thing you need to pay attention to in logarithms. If you know this side and you are given a question that looks like this, you are expected to turn it to something like this. If you are given a question that looks like this, you are expected to turn it to something like this. Let me say it again. You know this side, you have to turn it to something like this. If you see a question like this, if you know this side, you need to turn it to something like this. So according to indices, multiplication, this is m times n. In indices, it means what? Plus. Now, the same base, remember indices, same base, times means what? Addition. Same base times means what? Addition. That is what happened here. Same base, same base. The times turned into what? Addition. The numbers given turns into what? Addition. That's like the exponents in indices. Same way, in indices, same base, division means what? Subtraction. Same base, same base. The exponent turns into what? Subtraction. Are you seeing it now? So it simply means that if you know this side and you are given a question that looks like this, you need to turn it to this one. Now this one is tricky, but let me explain what I did here. It simply means that in indices, if you are given a number, just one number, let's say log to base 10, 30, or log to base 2, 30, you're expected to, the reason why I wrote x, y here is, you're expected to find two numbers that can multiply themselves to give you the 30. Are you seeing it now? Two numbers that can do what? Multiply themselves to give you what? That 30. That was why I wrote x and y here. Same base. Now this one, if you are given exponent in logarithm, if you have exponent in logarithm, you're expected to move the exponent to the back of the logarithm. Are you getting it now? See it here. The n was here, right? But here, the n moved to the back of the logarithm. That is a law in logarithm. There are other small laws, but as we start solving some questions, we are going to be seeing some small laws. But remember, I said the most important thing is you need to know this one and know this one, how to turn logarithm questions from one form to another form. That is basically what you need. The most important thing you need to learn in what? Logarithms. Thank you.